Today topic is parts in the Indian Constitution. Part 1, Article 1 to 4, the Union and its territory. Part 2, Article 5 to 11, citizenship. Part 3, Article 12 to 35, fundamental rights. Part 4, Article 36 to 51, directive principle of state policy. Part 4A, Article 51A, Fundamental Duties. Part 5th, Article 50 to 151, the Union Executive Parliament President Legislative Power of the President Union Judiciary CAG. Part 6, Article 152 to 237, the Executive State Legislature Legislative Power of Governor, High Court and Subordinate Court. Part 7, Article 239 to 242, the Union Territories. Part 9, Article 243 to 243O, the Panchayat. Article 9A, Article 243P to 243ZZ, the municipalities. Part 9B, Article 243ZH to 243ZT, the corporate societies. Part 10, Article 244, 244A, the scheduled and tribal areas. Part 11, Article 245 to 263, relation between the Union and the state legislative and administrative. Part 12, Article 264 to 300A, Finance, Property, Contract and Suits. Part 12, Article 301 to 307, Trade and Commerce and Intercourse within the territory of India. Part 14, Article 308 to 323, Service under the Union and the States. Part 14A, Article 223A to 223B, Tribunals. Part 15, Article 324 to 329A, Elections. Part 16, Article 330 to 342A, Special Provision relation the criteria classes SC, ST, backward classes. Part 17, Article 243 to 351, Official Language. Part 18, Emergency Provision. Part 19, Article 361 to 367, Miscellaneous. Part 20, Article 368, Amendment of the Constitution. Part 21, Article 369 to 392, Temporary, Transitional and Special Provision. Part 22, Article 393 to 395, Short Title Commandment. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more information video.